Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Amzdeal tile floor scrubber machine. This is an electric spin scrubber, powerful cordless bathroom scrubber with 4 replaceable brushes and 1 extendable handle, and you can see that it can clean the tiles or the flat or the round and the small corners like almost anything. So this is the round brush that comes with it, and you can see that this is the hard bristles that can clean up. This is the flat brush that also look for the flat surfaces and help in cleaning. This is a small brush and it is a curved in corner for the corners and everything, and this one is the extending rod, and this one is the soft scrub for the soft thing where you don't want any scratch or anything. So this is the main unit. It has the power indicator and then the charging thing in the back. So you have to remove this rubber cap, put it in for the charging. If charging is full, it will show green color LED. And this is the head. So this head can also be rotated. A user manual. This user manual have everything you need. So described how to use and all the different features of this. So the big difference is that it have a large battery, so 3 hours fast charging, and you can use it for 1 hour, where I tried the others one, just not like that good in battery. It have adjustable speed and longer lifespan. So for the longer lifespan I will keep using it and let you know if what I found, but for now this looks good and it shows the green LED, so means it's fully charged. So long press the on and off button and the motor will start. You press it one more time and it goes to the medium speed, and you press long it for the long time, it will be off. So you can see its rotation, and it have the different speed that I can control with the button. So where you want of more power, you can use that full power, and where you want less, you can use it less. Now to use the attachments, you just need to put it on the top and then press it. It will go inside, and you can see that how it is rotating. So the fast movement, so the fast movement is actually good for the scrubbing altogether, so you don't have to use your hands and muscles for that. This will do all the work for you. And this is the extending cable, but the replacement one, but the extending rod is already have this attachment. You can just directly put on the top of it, so where you have to reach to the long heights or somewhere, you can use you can extend this handle and it will be a longer handle for your use. And this rotating handle, so it is curved and this is straight, so you can use it as a straight where you want it straight like on the floor or anything, and then you can twist that thing back and it will be at the angled one. So this is the extending thing that I'm showing you right now, that you can use whatever the height you want. But for charging you have to take this rod out and then put it for the charging, and for replacement you have to just take it out by just push it out and put another one. So overall it's good. Rechargeable electric spinner scrubber.